Well, this video, I consider it special. That's the reason why I have a jacket and tie today. I met someone very special, someone amazing, someone very knowledgeable, and he invited me to this event where they talked about financial literacy. And I think I learned so much, and I had to sit down with him, and he explained things even further as far as generational wealth is concerned, saving money. And, it reminds me of this particular day when somebody invited me over to her place, and I saw the house and I was impressed. It was really a good house. And I asked her, how do I grow my money? How do I make my money work for me? Because my money is just sitting in the bank. It's not much, just a little, but sitting in the bank. And she advised me to make an appointment with the bank, visit a bank, and ask the same question to them. So I kind of held off that idea until I met this one particular person that, gave me a whole different perspective. And this is the reason why this video is important, and I would like for you to watch it.
Tonight, you got to see some of the concept that we teach people in our community about money and finance, and also entrepreneurship. We spoke about the different tax advantages and tax deduction that people can potentially have when they put their money in certain institution, like the banks, like the stock market, real estate, qualified plans like IRA, Roth IRA, or also insurance. So we also dive into a lot more in the insurance. Homes or institution of money, where you could actually put your money into something that's called a FIA, a fixed index annuity, or an IUL, an index universal life, to where that you get a lot more tax advantages, where you have your money compounding interest over time, and you have access to that money whenever you want and stuff like that. That's some of the concepts that we went over. Also, a concept called infinite banking, eventually becoming your own banks. If you Google the word, the letters BOLI, BOLI, it stands for bank-owned life insurance, or even COLI, COLI, corporate-owned life insurance. Imagine that we're putting money in our banks, right? But the banks is actually taking our money, put it in. They're not putting it in a safe somewhere. They're putting it into something called BOLI, a bank-owned life insurance. Some of your favorite banks, Bank of America, are probably the top three banks that have money in insurance, billions and billions of dollars, trillions of dollars in life insurance product. Where they can't turn around and give you a loan for a car, a loan for a house, credit cards and stuff like that, without having to worry about, because they're making money on your money regardless to what, right? So some of those concepts, that's what we teach people in the community, how to become your own bank, infinite banking concept. If you're a real estate investor out there, a real estate realtor, you can leverage life insurance products to be able to take out money and invest in properties, right? If you're an entrepreneur, a business owner, you can do the same. If you're just somebody that's like looking to save money for the future, having your money in the IUL is powerful, right? But it's not taught in school. We don't talk about that type of stuff in school. But so tonight you went over the three ways money grows. You know that your money grows fixed, verbal, or index, right? So those are some of the concept that we teach people in our community here in the Maryland DMV area. DMV stands for DC, Maryland and Virginia. So my name is Laurent Mathurin. You can find me on Instagram, Mathurin underscore legacy underscore LLC. If you are in search of life insurance and you want to protect your family and your wealth, if you have money stashed away from an old 401k and you're thinking about protecting that money, especially right now in times where people are losing money in the stock market, securing your money and your wealth is crucial. You can find me on IG. My phone number is 917-938-8067, or add me on Facebook, Laurent Mathurin.